More often than not, heel spurs have no signs or symptoms, and you don't feel any pain. This is because heel spurs aren't pointy or sharp pieces of bone, contrary to common belief. Heel spurs don't cut tissue every time movement occurs. They're actually deposits of calcium on bone set in place by the body's normal bone-forming mechanisms. This means they're smooth and flat, just like all other bones. Because there's already tissue present at the site of a heel spur, sometimes that area and the surrounding tissue get inflamed, leading to a number of symptoms, such as chronic heel pain that occurs when jogging or walking. Another cause of heel spur pain comes from the development of new fibrous tissue around the bony spur, which acts as a cushion over the area of stress. As this tissue grows, a callus forms and takes up even more space than the heel spur, leading to less space for the thick surrounding network of tendons, nerves, ligaments and supporting tissue. These important structures in the foot have limited space, because of calcium or tissue buildup, which leads to swelling and redness of the foot, and a deep throbbing pain worsened with exercise. The pain caused by heel spurs can be a sharp, stabbing pain when using the foot after a long period of rest. Sometimes it then reduces to a dull throb that can worsen when engaging in activities like jogging or jumping. People sometimes describe the pain of heel spurs and plantar fasciitis as a pin sticking into the bottom of the foot when they first stand up in the morning. This pain later turns into a bearable ache. The cause of the pain is generally not the heel spur itself, but the soft tissue buildup associated with it. People often complain that the sharp pain returns after they stand up following sitting for a prolonged period of time. Natural solutions for healing a heel spurs. 1. Magnesium. One way to treat the symptoms of a heel spur is with a warm bath with Epsom salt. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, and it has many beneficial properties when it comes to relieving pain and inflammation. Add a cup of Epsom salt to your detox bath recipe, and gently massage your heels to release the pressure. There are also plenty of great magnesium-rich foods that provide you with the magnesium you need to alleviate a heel spur. For example, one of the avocado benefits is plenty of magnesium. Look to spinach nutrition, Swiss chard nutrition, banana nutrition and black beans nutrition for great sources of magnesium. Lastly, pumpkin seeds, lentils, garbanzo beans, white beans, black-eyed peas, pinto beans, brown rice, millet, and dried figs also contain magnesium. 2. Vitamin B5. Some foods naturally high in vitamin B5 include avocado, sunflower seeds, eggs, salmon and lentils. Taking B vitamin complex supplements is correlated with lower levels of joint pain, enhanced muscle strength, and fewer symptoms associated with muscle or joint fatigue. 3. Proteolytic enzymes. One example of a proteolytic enzyme is bromelain, which fights inflammation by blocking metabolites that cause swelling. It also acts to decrease swelling by activating a chemical in the blood that breaks down fibrin, thus leading to reduced swelling. Bromelain health benefits, which can be found in the stem and fruit of a pineapple, are many, and it's often recommended to be taken before surgeries to speed healing time and decrease inflammation commonly associated with surgical procedures. Reducing inflammation helps in healing a heel spur and relieving the pressure. 4. Alkaline diet. It's important that our bodies have a proper pH balance in order to avoid inflammation and calcium buildup, which causes a heel spur. 5. Fish oil. Omega-3 fatty acids, one of the fish oil benefits, are one of nature's strongest tools against inflammation. Omega-3 foods include fish oil, and you can take fish oil tablets rich in omega-3 fatty acids daily in order to relieve your body from pain and irritation. Many Americans' health problems can be traced back to having an imbalance of omega-3 and omega-6 fats. In moderation, omega-6 fats aren't necessarily bad for you, but if they're consumed in large amounts without omega-3 fats, they cause inflammation that leads to chronic illness. For most people, a 1,000 milligram dose of fish oil daily is an effective and safe amount. Remember, not all fish oils are created equal. Most fish oils are highly processed and can oxidize easily because omega-3 fats are polyunsaturated, have a low heat threshold and can easily go rancid. For that reason, You want to buy a fish oil in triglyceride form that also contains antioxidants to preserve them, like astaxanthin or essential oils. 6. Rollout area or massage. Warm oil massages are extremely beneficial for your feet. Frequent foot massages increase fluid flow, speed up the healing process and break up scar tissue. By stretching your toes and massaging your toes and heel, the scar tissue heals as stronger and more resilient tissue. If you suffer from heel spur pain, warm up a small amount of olive oil and deeply massage it into your heel. This is also one of the best coconut oil uses. The warm oil, coconut or olive oil, comforts your heels and keeps them safe from the harmful effects of excessive wear and tear. Also, one of essential oil's benefits is its anti-inflammatory properties. These include rosemary oil, thyme oil, rose oil and lavender oil. 7. Wear minimalist shoes. Choosing the right shoes for your lifestyle and physical activity is very important. You can prevent heel spurs by wearing well-fitting shoes with shock-absorbent soles, firm shanks and supportive heel counters. Shoes that are too tight restrict the movement of the tendons, which damages the bones of the feet. Wearing the right shoes reduces pressure on the heel and helps distribute your body weight evenly.